Good afternoon, Amanda. This is Dick down at Prime, and we're going to put together this little video for you on the GLK that you inquired about. It's a beautiful, beautiful car, and I'm going to have them focus in on some of the imperfections that you may see. So enjoy. If you have any questions, I'll be talking to you. And as I had mentioned, the car is completely inspected. Mechanically, it's in very, very good shape. And I don't think you'll have any problems with it at all. It has all your Bluetooth connections. One little imperfection in the driver's seat. You can just barely see it. But I'm having him focus in on these so you can see them up close. So I will send this off to you, and then I will be in touch and see if we can get this delivered to you by the end of the week. Thank you, Amanda.